If you've ever wondered why your expensive headphones sound mediocre when plugged into your laptop, the culprit is probably hiding inside your computer right now. Today we're diving deep into the AudioQuest DragonFly DAC, a device that's been quietly revolutionizing how people experience digital audio for over a decade. Whether you're streaming Spotify, listening to high-resolution audio files, or just trying to get better sound from your everyday devices, understanding what this little USB stick can do might completely change how you think about audio quality. Let me start with the basics. DAC stands for Digital to Analog Converter, and every device that plays digital audio has one built in. Your phone has one, your laptop has one, even your smart TV has one. The problem is, most of these built-in DACs are cheap, noisy, and designed with cost-cutting in mind rather than audio quality. That's where the DragonFly comes in. The original DragonFly launched in 2012 and immediately turned heads because it packed serious audio engineering into something the size of a USB flash drive. AudioQuest took the complex circuitry that typically fills an entire desktop unit and somehow squeezed it into a device you can carry in your pocket. But miniaturization was just the beginning. The current DragonFly lineup consists of 3 models, the red, the black, and the cobalt. Each one targets a different user and price point, but they all share the same fundamental approach to solving digital audio problems. The red, which typically sells for around $100, handles most popular headphones and earbuds with ease. It can drive impedances up to 300 ohms, which means it'll power everything from your AirPods to studio monitor headphones without breaking a sweat. The black steps things up significantly. It uses a more sophisticated DAC chip and can handle higher resolution audio files. We're talking about 24-bit, 96 kHz audio, which is well beyond CD quality. But here's what's really interesting about the black version: it includes something called minimum phase digital filtering. Without getting too technical, this means the conversion from digital to analog preserves more of the original timing and spatial information in your music. The result is a soundstage that feels more natural and three-dimensional. At the top of the range sits the cobalt, and this is where AudioQuest really shows off their engineering prowess. The cobalt uses the same ESS Sabre DAC chip found in equipment costing thousands of dollars. It also includes a more powerful headphone amplifier section, which means it can drive even the most demanding planar magnetic headphones. But the cobalt's party trick is its ability to handle MQA files, that's master quality authenticated, a format that promises studio quality sound in smaller file sizes. Now, let's talk about what you'll actually hear when you plug one of these in. The most immediate difference is usually in the noise floor. Your laptop's built-in audio circuitry sits right next to the CPU, graphics chip, and all sorts of electrical interference. The DragonFly moves that conversion process outside your computer, into a shielded environment designed specifically for audio. This means the quiet parts of your music stay quiet, instead of being masked by electronic hiss. But the benefits go beyond just reducing noise. The DragonFly's more sophisticated analog output stage provides better current delivery to your headphones. This translates to tighter bass response, clearer mid-range detail, and smoother high frequencies. Complex musical passages that might sound congested through your device's headphone jack suddenly open up, allowing you to hear individual instruments and spatial cues that were there all along. One of the most clever features across all DragonFly models is the LED status indicator. The small light changes color based on the sample rate of whatever you're playing. Red for 44.1 kHz CD quality audio, yellow for 48 kHz, green for 88.2, blue for 96. It's a simple but effective way to know exactly what resolution your music is being played at, and whether your streaming service or music player is actually delivering the quality you're paying for. The DragonFly also works across virtually every platform. Plug it into a Windows PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad, or Android device with USB-C, and it just works. No drivers to install, no complicated setup procedures. The device draws its power from the USB connection, so there's no need for external power supplies or batteries to worry about. Of course, no product is perfect. The DragonFly's compact design means it can get warm during extended use, though this doesn't affect performance. Some users also find that it drains their mobile device's battery faster than using the built-in headphone output. And while the Dragonfly is an excellent upgrade for most people, those with extremely efficient or extremely power-hungry headphones might be better served by a larger, more specialized amplifier. The AudioQuest DragonFly represents something rare in audio, a significant upgrade that's both affordable and practically foolproof to use. Whether you choose the red for everyday listening improvement or splurge on the cobalt for reference quality audio, you're getting technology that would have cost thousands of dollars just a few years ago. It's proof that great audio doesn't always require great complexity or great expense. If you found this deep dive helpful and want to see more detailed audio equipment reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. What audio gear would you like us to cover next? Let me know in the comments below.